Unity is strength. A short story. Once there lived three brothers who always fought. They argued over toys, food, and even small things. One day, their father gave each of them a stick. He said, "Break it." Each boy broke his stick easily. Then the father gave them a bundle of sticks tied together. "No, try to break it," he said. The brothers tried hard but could not break the bundle. Their father smiled and said, "Alone you are weak, together you are strong." The brothers understood. From that day, they worked together, shared things, and stopped fighting. They became happier and stronger. Moral of this story is: unity is strength. When we stand together, no one can break us.